What is the remainder when 7 raised to 36 is divided by 5? Now, 7 raised to 2, that is, when 49 is divided by 5, we get the remainder of 4. Now, remainder of 4, we can also write it down as remainder of -1. Now, 7 raised to 36, we can write it down as 7 raised to 2 whole raised to 18. Now, whatever operation we do on the number, the same thing is done on the remainder as well. So, the remainder for 7 raised to 2 was -1. So, therefore, as 7 raised to 2, we are raising it to 18. Remainder -1 will also get raised to 18. Now, -1 raised to 18, the answer is 1. So, therefore, the final answer will be 1.